On the weather moves now to some damage that was done in Hialeah.
An infant was injured when water caused a roof to collapse.
Local 10 News reporter Michael Seiden's live in Northwest Miami-Dade with that part of the story.
And good evening. I want to show you guys, though, earlier today, this entire road underwater, but you can see that county crews have been in here. They've pumped the water out, but I want to take you to that frightening scene in Hialeah. As you guys mentioned, those storms pounding the roof of this apartment complex. That roof actually collapsed, injuring an 8-month-old boy and his grandfather. He was inside his family's apartment when the water started pouring in. Moments later, the roof collapsed and debris started flying, cutting the face of this infant, only 8 months old. His grandfather also injured. Investigators in Hialeah say Friday's rain is to blame. The city condemned all 12 units, leaving many without a home.
No, I don't have any place where I'm going. I don't sleep in the street, you know, because I live here.
In Northwest Miami-Dade, heavy rains and flooding created an absolute nightmare for commuters who work near Northwest 7th Street and 62nd Avenue. The rising water forced some drivers to abandon their vehicles. Others waited hours for a tow truck to arrive.
Yeah, how long have you been waiting for a tow truck?
About 3 hours.
County crews rushed to the flooded area, but Mother Nature didn't provide any relief. Still, some frustrated drivers
I have to go pee. I was gonna go pull in the post office.
Refused to turn around, waiting in the rain until the water receded. And good news tonight, that 8-month-old child taken to Jackson Memorial Hospital to get checked out by doctors. We are told he and his grandfather, though, will make a full recovery. We are live tonight in Northwest Miami-Dade. I'm Michael Seiden, Local 10 News.